Well, hello, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Now, if this is your first time here and you love this content, click the subscribe button down below, turn on your bell ringer, and you should not be missing any notifications. So in today's video, I am just going to give you all some tips on some things you can be using with thrift store and also Dollar Tree items. Starting off with our napkins, I got these napkins from eFavorMart and they was like $1 and something. You get them in a pack of 5, so you can use any napkins you may have around your home. With this Dollar Tree charger, everyone, this is the same exact one that I did for a wedding years ago. And I mean, this is absolutely beautiful and it can take you a long way using flower match wrap. With our winter tablescape, I did not use a dinner plate at all, but you can use a clear one. Now, I don't have one from the Dollar Tree, but I'm letting you know, if you do get one, use something that is clear that you can see through, because it's going to be absolutely gorgeous with the way that we're going to actually do this setup. This salad dish I absolutely love, and many of you love this salad dish. It is so beautiful, and guess what? Came from this thrift store and I only paid a couple of cents for it. If you love glam decor, okay, you can use a beautiful large brooch, or you can use something like this, a sash, anything on that level, because it's going to make it stand out even more and make a bold statement if you're doing it on a budget. Here's a tip that I use for my own personal tablescape, or even if it's for a client. I steam all of my linen. Now with my napkins, I make sure that I press those down very well, and this is why. You want it to have that real clean chic look. It gives a very professional look to your tablescape, and you can actually see the difference when everything comes together. So we have that charger on the bottom, and then we have the dinner plate and have the napkin going up under the dinner plate, and now we are going to place our salad dish on top. Okay, my friends, remember, this is not how we have our table set up for this year. I am just giving you all just some tips. Now this is the poinsettia we did last week in that tutorial. It came out very lovely and a lot of you absolutely like it as well. Now I already have my napkin on there, and you can choose whatever way you want to place your napkin on there. As long as you have it looking crispy beautiful, you are good to go. So we have our poinsettia to my left hand side facing. I want to give you some details about the salad dish and also about the dinner plate. Diving in a little closer, you can see that the charger and the dinner plate is pretty busy. So that's why I was saying, if you have a clear plate, that would be absolutely fantastic, because it would not be a lot of busyness going on. So this is the closest I can find to a clear plate. If you choose to use a sash, make sure that your sash is very small if you are using a salad plate on top. If you use a large one, it's gonna lap over and make it look unprofessional. So with your actual flatware, I have everything down below, and this is disposable. I mean, these are actually, they're so absolutely beautiful. And on our tablescape, I have these as well. I got the whole complete set, so you can't go wrong with those. Remember, this is not how we have our table set up for this season at all. Just wanted to show you all how you can get that lovely table setting using like Dollar Tree items, thrift store items, in order to get something beautiful flowing for this actual season. You can use a napkin if you want to. You don't have to necessarily use one, but if you do, I will place it right there up under my salad dish. Remember, my friends, I want to inspire each and every last one of you that is watching this video or that's a part of our community, that you can still have a lovely, beautiful setup this holiday season. I want to know your thoughts down below on what some tips that you may have or what you think about today's video. Okay, my friends, I thank you so much for designing with me, Latisha McKinney, and you all have a beautiful week. Bye-bye.